Good evening all. Welcome to SS Creation. And today we are going to have a look at stock market update. These were the calls. Before going into that, kindly pause the video and read the disclaimers. This is the view which we have given yesterday. We will go ahead and see how our view has performed today in the stock market. Now we will go and have a look at the charts, how the Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed today. Now we will have a look at how the Nifty has performed today based on our view. If you see, the Nifty has approximately entered our buy range, and post entering the buy range, the first 5 minutes candle, if you see what is the high, it is 16546. I just can't believe this, that Nifty has just gone in a particular spike. I really don't understand. Now only I'm seeing this particular chart. Okay, anyhow, what is our view? We gave a view. We have Nifty is buy above 15750, but it opened 7 points gap up, which people could have taken. And post that, the Nifty has rallied pretty well and hit all our targets. And what was our view on Nifty? Nifty is buy above 15750, and we have told the maximum target is 15868. It reached till 15867, I guess. 68. So it has reached our target, and all four targets have been hit. Approximately we could have made 5500 in Nifty today. If you see Bank Nifty has done a huge gap up open, so there was no trade in Bank Nifty. Pharma stock we have taken, and we have given a buy call around 992.25, and morning the first candle itself our buy call got triggered, and it has reached to the maximum of 1016. 1016 is our third target. 1015 was our third target, which has easily cleared. So approximately profit would have been 4652. And then we will have a look at Gujarat Gas, how Gujarat Gas has performed. Gujarat Gas, this Gujarat Gas and Tata Chemicals had a steep down trend today. If you see in the initial first 10 minutes candle or something, see here, first 10-15 minutes candle, this was because of that Nifty which went steep upwards and steep down. Maybe because of that, the first 15 minutes could have been the bad day for these two stocks. Post that, the market took the clear direction and it went on to the sell side, and it has hit our targets, first target. And similarly, if you see Tata Chemical, post this particular reversal, the market went on buy side and it has hit our target. But wherein we will consider the one case which has hit the stop loss as well, and the other direction which has hit our target. So there is no much profit and loss in this two shares. But this Gujarat Gas and Tata Chemicals movement, drastic movement in the first 5 to 10 minutes candle, is the reason why we were not able to make much profit in stocks today. Else, if we eliminate that first 10-15 minutes in the market, we could have easily made another 2600 rupees profit. But it was so unfortunate that Nifty in the first 5 minutes candle made a huge violent move, because of which those two trades have gone on the negative side. So we were not able to make any profit on Gujarat Gas and Tata Chemical. Otherwise, in Nifty and APL Limited, we had a good stock movement, and we have made almost 4500 rupees profit in both Nifty and APL Limited. Now we will go ahead and see how market can perform tomorrow. First, we will have a look at the FIIs and DIIs data. If you see FII data today, also they sold around 300 crore rupees, and the DII has pumped in more than what FII have sold. That's why market was on a bull trend today. If you see here, in the last 3 months continuously FIIs have been on a sellers, and DIIs are pumping in huge money, equivalent or more than what FIIs are selling. This is the reason for market to keep moving up. And there was a report which clearly states there is huge inflow of money for the mutual funds. That's why the DIIs are able to pump in more money into the market. Now we will go ahead and open interest chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we can understand and assess where the market can move. If you see, there is a huge put rating around 35,000 and huge call rating around 35,500 for this particular week. So this week could expire between this range only. If you see 35,500, 35,000 would be the huge support and 35,500 would be the huge resistance for the market for Thursday expiry. If you see the month end, how month end is behaving, it is almost similar. 35,000 people are, I think people are doing 35,000 straddle, and 35,500 call option is written aggressively. So again, this month expiry could also be within the same range, which clearly states the market could be on a flat trend for the entire month, unless and otherwise the results start coming in, and there is, based on the results, the furthermore call and put options would be people will be starting to write. Based on that only, next scenarios can be taken. Till then, with the current position, Bank Nifty has a huge support around 35,000 and huge resistance around 35,500. It is same for the current week as well as for the month. There is no change as of now. We will see how Nifty is going to perform. If you see about Nifty, this is the Nifty open interest chart. If you see Nifty, many people are doing 15,800 straddle. Similarly, people are doing aggressive put rating on 15,700, 15,600 and 15,500. All the below strike prices put ratings are being very aggressive, and if you see, all the call ratings are also very aggressive, above 15,900, 16,000, 16,100 and 16,200. More call option rating is in 16,000 and more put option rating in 15,700, and many people are doing 15,800 straddle. So this week market will be between the range of 15,700 to 16,000, and to be precise, 15,800 plus or minus 100 would be the maximum range where the market expires. Now we will have a look at how option chain is for the month end. If you see the month end, 16,000 again remains the highest call option rating, and 15,500 seems to be the highest put option rating. And again, if you see here, 15,800 straddle. Many people are doing 15,800 straddle, which clearly states people are expecting the market between 15,500 to 16,000. This is the view for the entire month as of now. But as and when the IT result comes up and bank related results come up this month, these option writers will shift their positions accordingly. Whenever it goes 16,000, there would be a resistance which is going to push the market down. Similarly, whenever it goes to 15,500, it will start pushing the market up. And 15,800 straddle is going to be the view for this month, unless and otherwise the IT results and bank related stocks result which is going to come up this month. Based on that, this entire option chain will keep changing again. We will go ahead and see all those changes as and when the changes happen in the market. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.